I'm just seeing if this is actually working. And we'll try recording this real quick and go through the welcome to a quick recording of my program for rock, paper, scissors. Again, I have starting with rock, paper, scissors at the very top, my name, which should be your name, the date you did it, what the purpose is, and then eventually what we'll do is save scores to file, but I think I'll just go ahead and allow you to not do that at this particular time, just because I want to have a simple recording. And this is probably what's due. Now, there are a few things to know about Python is notice on this if main, I changed it from printing out the name to just having main, which then comes up here to this main program. Again, def defines a function in Python, and indentation is vital. Notice that this starts in the first column. You can usually see a line going down. And then anytime you want to indent or have something defined under it, you have to have a colon at the end. For example, at the end of a definition of a function, or in a while loop, or an if statement, or an elif, or an else, you need to have then a colon, and notice it automatically indents. And then you can do a shift tab to unindent one space and make sure everything's lined up. If you, let's see if this actually works. I don't see anything wrong with it, but I see red lines over here. So if I start up, okay, line, it says line 23. Something is, oh, when I erased something, I didn't put a colon, so my bad. And then ask for your name. And then it has a opportunity to play. And so then, do you want to play again? Yes. And then just choose something else. And we're being good at tying. And if I don't want to play again, I say no, I'm ending it. Again, just going through this slowly so you can have opportunity to see the code. Again, I just keep track of all the games so that I can show off at the bottom what has happened. And then do RPS is actually the game itself. I go through and check to see what is comparison. First of all, I check for a tie, and it doesn't make any difference what people chose. If it's a tie, it's automatically going to register a tie. Otherwise, then I go on through computer choice, see if it's rock. Then if it's scissors for the user or paper for the user, then it's either a win or a loss, or excuse me, a loss. If it's scissors, a win if it's paper. Likewise, if the computer chose scissors, paper, user loses, rock, paper, user wins, and likewise rock, then if the computer chose paper, which is just an else because I don't have to check for paper again because it's the last possibility, and then rock for the user, and then let's see if that's paper, then scissors. Scissors wins, rock loses. And then likewise, I just go here and I have a loop. And then I set loop it to true. And then notice if I have here either capital Y or lowercase y, I just say loop it is true. Otherwise, loop it is false. So I have to type in a Y to do it again. I assume anything else is just exit the game. And then if you notice, I come through here and then get results from do RPS, which is 0, 1, or 2. And then it just tells me you tied, you won, you lost, and adds to the count, and then prints out the games played, the wins, and the losses. Hopefully this is helpful.